This is GATE 2014 Metallurgical Engineering question number 17. A steel rod was subjected to a fluctuating stress cycle that varied between a maximum of 400 MPa in tension to a minimum of 300 MPa in compression. So what is the stress amplitude in MPa? We have to find out. So a fluctuating stress cycle means fatigue. So in this thing you can see that here the stress is fluctuating across the mean stress, and we need to find out sigma A, which is the alternating stress here, and this is like from peak to peak is known as one cycle of fatigue, and this is delta sigma is the basically sigma max by sigma mean, and this is the overall stress cycle of fatigue, which is an alternating cycle. Hence, and these equations are given as like this: delta sigma is basically sigma max by sigma mean, which is basically the stress range in under which you are like fatigue, you are doing fatigue of the sample. Sigma A is basically the alternating stress, which is given by delta sigma by 2. Delta sigma is basically this delta sigma divided by 2, sigma max by sigma min divided by 2. So this is the alternating stress, and sigma mean is given by sigma max plus sigma min by 2, which is this one. So you need to find out stress which is alternating stress. So you have to find out this amplitude over sigma mean, how much it is. Hence, now what in question it is given is like a maximum of 400 MPa in tension and minimum of 300 MPa in tension. So this is tension compression fatigue. So if I draw a stress cycle of this, so it will be like this, where this will be 400 and this will be 300 in compression. So here maximum is 400 in tension and minimum is 300 in compression. Hence, now if you want to find out this value, sigma A will be given by sigma max minus sigma mean by 2. So sigma max is basically 300 minus of 400. So you have to add these two values and divided by 2. So the answer will be 350 MPa. And you should remember that one of the mistake which you have done earlier is like you consider 400 as maximum and 300 as minimum. So what you did was like 400 minus 300 divided by 2, hence the answer was 50. But you need to see if this is in compression, this will be negative. So either one of this sign or this sign you need to subtract. Hence 300 minus of minus 400 divided by 2 will be 700 divided by 2, which will be 350 MPa.